What are the 4 different type of trash bins and how you can empty it on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, go down and tap on battery and device care. Next, tap on storage. Then go down to the trash section. In this section, you can see there are 4 different types of trash bins. One is My Files, and then you got the Gallery trash bin, Samsung Notes trash bin, and finally the Messages trash bin. If you tap on My Files, in here you can go through and check the files to confirm if these are the files that you want to remove. If it is okay, you can now tap on the empty button at the top and then tap on empty trash, and that will allow you to empty the trash bin for files. Now, because that has been empty, it will not show in the trash anymore. Now you can continue with other trash bins such as the gallery. In gallery, you can select and delete any photos, or you can simply tap on the empty that will remove all your gallery. You can also do the same for Messages and Samsung Notes. So you can just tap on empty and then tap on delete, and that's it. That will remove the trash bin. So just go back into settings, and that's it. So that's how you can locate all the different trash bins available on your device and how you can empty them. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.